So, guys, all right. So I have had a bit of a gnat fruit fly problem. About a month ago, we left some fruit out, and I've never had fruit flies in my house before. Been in this house for 7, almost 8 years, and all of a sudden, some fruit flies showed up, and we're like, no big deal. But apparently, once these things come into your house, they don't want to leave, and so at all times for the past month, there's at least 20 to 30 fruit flies flying around. Very, very annoying. After about the first week, it was getting so much that I started looking up on the internet. How do you get rid of them? They say put a bowl of vinegar out, put some saran wrap over it, poke some holes. Did that. Okay, caught a couple, but I still have fruit flies. Uh, Glass of wine, same thing. Orange juice. Filled the glass all the way up to the top with wine, with orange juice, with vinegar. I can tell you right now, the vinegar one worked the best, but still didn't put a dent in the fruit flies. Every time we got rid of some, there was always some more. Apparently, once you get the fruit flies, if they lay eggs, and usually I guess it's or larvae, whatever they do in the sink, after 6 days, a day after you see a fruit fly, they can breed. So every time you see a fruit fly, they're breeding. So it's a never-ending battle. Well, my wife actually came up with this because she's been going crazy too. We take a look. We put mice traps. She went out and bought some mice traps because she had this idea of putting double-sided tape where they like to land. So she decided to get mice traps. Now we put this down an hour ago. Okay, this one over here has vinegar, and it has, I would say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Has 24 fruit flies on it. Okay. This right here, we put the wine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23, 24 fruit flies. They're about even as far as attracting them. But right now, we probably have 4 or 5 left floating around. And so the next thing we're going to do is pour this pot of boiling water into the sink where we think they're hanging out or they're reproducing, and turn the garbage disposal on. And hopefully, if there's anything trying to breed in there, it kills them. We've tried putting bleach in there and everything, nothing's been working. So this is our last ditch effort. But right now, I think it's a success story. Thank God, because these things are so annoying. I mean, everything is spotless over here. Everything is spotless, and they still, apparently, they go down in the sink, into a wet portion, down in the pipes, and then after they hatch, they find their way up, and then you get fruit flies. There's no way to get, no matter what you do, it's been horrible. Anyway, I hope this helps. Actually, I know it's going to help. So subscribe to the channel. This is Johnny's Tips and Tricks. And if this helped you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and I hope this helps.